This tutorial will discuss the public records search feature in your DEQ Online. We'll talk about what types of information are available to search, and how to obtain public records. To get started, click on the Public Records button on the main screen of the Your DEQ Online public portal. There are two areas where you may search in your DEQ Online for public records: submittals information and permits information. We'll talk about what each of these areas are and how to search them. Submittals information contains records of items that were submitted to DEQ by various entities. Some examples are permit applications, certification applications, and annual report submittals. Permits information contains records of permits, licenses, and certificates that have been issued by DEQ to a particular entity. Let's take a look at how to search both the submittals information and the permits information screens. To begin searching submittals information, enter search terms in the keywords box at the left. A keyword search will search various parts of the record, such as the facility name, facility address, and the type of submittal. You will notice that there are a few other options below the search box. These are filters you may use to limit your search results in one way or another. Let's try an example. I've entered a keyword search on the term evergreen, and my search results are shown to the right. If I wish, I may filter my search results further by environmental interest, DEQ region, submittal status, or submittal type. I can also limit submittal records to those containing public notice information. In this example, I've limited my search results to those submittals with an approved status. So what information can I find in the results? Right now we're looking at the grid view of the submittal search results. The first column in the grid shows the record's unique submittal ID number and also may contain a blue eye icon, indicating that the record includes public notice information. The second column has information about the facility or site that is making a submittal. The third column indicates the DEQ department that is handling the submittal, the environmental interest, which is a category of permit, certificate, or license, and the specific submittal type. The next column has information about when the submittal was made and who submitted it. The second to last column indicates the current status of the submittal, and the final column may contain two pieces of information. The blue circle indicates public notice information, as previously mentioned. When clicked, you may find the submittal document, public notice documents, and any public comments that have been made. The red circle, if present, allows you to click on it and open the submittal document as a PDF. From here, you may view, download, or print this document. In addition to the grid view of submittal search results, you may also view records in a list view or map view. This icon allows you to toggle among the different view options. Let's click the middle option, which is the list view. This is how the list view looks. It has a slightly larger thumbnail of the site and also contains contact information for the individual who made the submittal. This view also allows you to click on the PDF of the submittal, as well as view any public notice information, if available. Now, we'll look at the map view of these results. This is the map view. In order to see your results more clearly, you may need to zoom into the map. Zoom controls can be found in the lower right-hand corner. When we zoom in, we can see several pinpoints on the map. To view more information, simply click a pinpoint. The information about the submittal will appear on the right side of your screen. Now that we've looked at searching submittals, let's take a brief look at searching for permit information. Click on the Permits Info link at the top left corner of the screen to get started. When you click on Permits Info, your DEQ Online will return every permit record that is available in the system. This is a large number of records, so in order to find exactly what we want, we'll need to do a search. As with searching submittals, you can also search permit records in a number of different ways. We'll start with a keyword search, which will search fields like facility or site name or permit number. Here, I've done a keyword search on a facility name. In the upper right corner, it shows that I have received 24 results. Results are shown 20 per page. Click the arrows to navigate to additional pages. You can also sort your search results in various ways, using the drop-down options in the upper right of the screen. If you get too many results from a keyword search, you can narrow down the results by permit status, permit type, or environmental interest. Since some of the drop-down lists have extensive options to choose from, you can search the list. For example, here I have done a search in the Environmental Interest drop-down list for UIC, which stands for Underground Injection Control. After selecting that environmental interest, my search will run again, and now I have only 6 results. The first column of the grid will show the site location information. The second column shows the environmental interest and the submittal type. The third column shows the permit number and type. The next column shows the issued date of the permit, along with its effective date and expiration date. The second to last column shows the permit status, and the final column may provide a link to the permit document. If there is no live link, you may make a public record request for this item. To do so, click the eye icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to DEQ's Public Record Request website. As with submittal records, there are 2 additional ways to view the information for permit records. Click on the middle icon to look at the list view for the permit records. Here we see the list view for the permit records. And we can also look at the map view of the records by clicking the map icon. And here is the map view. Once again, you can zoom in to get a closer view of the items appearing on the map, and you can click on any pinpoints to view the specific permit records on the map. Thank you for viewing this tutorial on public record searching in your DEQ Online. For additional training, please visit the Your DEQ Online Training Resources website.